Cardinal Power offers comprehensive services designed to address and alleviate common issues like frequent equipment failures, high energy consumption, unexpected downtime, and safety hazards. Our goal is to optimize your systems by reducing inefficiencies, lowering overhead costs, and minimizing risks to both your equipment and your personnel. Our power quality analysis targets issues like power outages, equipment downtime, drives burning out, and increased wear on motors and sensitive electronics. These problems are often caused by electrical disturbances, such as voltage sags, harmonics, and surges. By performing a thorough examination of your facility's power flow, we identify and resolve hidden inefficiencies that impact your operations. This service not only improves reliability, but also helps you avoid utility penalties and lower energy costs. We also offer infrared scanning, which is crucial for detecting hidden risks like overheating components, loose connections, and overloaded circuits. Left unchecked, these issues can lead to serious equipment failures, electrical fires, increased maintenance costs, and reduced energy efficiency. Using advanced thermal imaging technology, we proactively identify and fix these problems before they escalate, helping you prevent costly breakdowns and maintain a safer, more efficient facility. Another critical service is our Sonic Discharge Study, which focuses on detecting inefficiencies in compressed air systems. Common issues include undetected air leaks that waste energy, increase strain on compressors, destabilize pressure levels, and reduce overall system efficiency. Our specialists conduct thorough inspections using advanced sonic detection technology to locate and repair leaks, optimizing your energy consumption and reducing operational expenses. Finally, we provide a grounding assessment to help prevent electrical faults, equipment malfunctions, data corruption, and safety hazards like electrical shocks. Poor grounding can destabilize voltage levels and create serious risks. Our experts ensure that your facility's electrical systems are properly grounded according to industry standards, improving safety, reliability, and extending the lifespan of your equipment. At Cardinal Power, our services are tailored to address the critical issues that impact your facility's efficiency, safety, and costs. If you're ready to optimize your systems and protect your bottom line, or if you aren't sure which service you need, contact us today, and one of our engineers will ensure you have the best solution crafted to your need.